Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert date in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a document in my Google Docs, and for example, I'm going to insert date right here. If we want to do that, first thing first, we need to go to the insert menu, and then we can go to the smart chips. Okay, and you have to select placeholder chips and select date. Okay, and then you can click on the date option and choose the date you want to add to your document. I'm just going to add 20 of July. Okay, then click on OK. You'll be able to change the date as well right here, and you can also add time and time zone. It's up to you. You can customize it as you like. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add date or insert date in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.